We I'm sipping on that Skrilla and that toxic. Yeah, blood clot. So big man singing that.
Why he's wearing what she was wearing, whatever. And I was like,
I don't really give a fuck as I just see me till they walk one. Either way it's song. I don't really give a song wrong. I become a break back the dog so you realize, whoa, I bought with a rock slide, boom. Just like, oh, big man singing, I have blood. I smile like a crocodile, I see you in a watch
here's what I do, I got the price, like you got the marijuana north.
It's like I'm Peter Parker, I really need a sparker. I don't care.
That's my favorite thing to do.
It's a big man singing, I have blood clot, boom. Tell me why I have blood clot. Yo, trying to fight with it.
Rap show, big up to my homie with that. Big up to my go Josie when I'm on the way. The sun is coming down and the moon is rising. Like a phony unit is rising. But only to rapper that was phony. Everybody want a matrimony like whoa. And with the Josie dough, I can win the about the golden globes. Whoa. Thank you to everybody who gave us your love that, and we love you too. I got the pizza from the microphone, my cola so not full. I saw both in red, both of them got beautiful. Need on the mic, that's how I get in the breath.
Shout out to the Yankees, A-Roll with my stray dog, crazy up the Drake going, I'm living in the now, that I'm lifted in the clouds.
It's a big man singing, I have blood clot, yo. Tell me what's right, yo. Big blood clot, yo.
امروز یه توی مایا
On Granville, I'm like the skip bugs, you can see me telling yo. Big up Trump, but don't see you again, and never gonna know what cooking good, right? He good, right?
Boom. Tell me what I'm going on.
Boom.
Big man singing like boom. Big man singing like boom. The big man singing like
MC singing when I'm on the microphone, I'm really some big up in Canada. Terrible parent whore, where are you wearing me? I'm CDs that are averaging the CD really don't go.
Let's go, 5 seconds. Yeah, I'll keep that.
Spartacus and I've been Parsifal, Bulldog and then an underdog. Shout out to Mars. Do work. True hurt. This of a quad. When you buy a gun in the block,
Yeah, people most of my niggas are thinking they're killing the focus on the bad guy. I'm hoping to get rid like I really don't want to die. So I'm thinking that they could have got it.
You would do it. No, I wouldn't. You're laughing? It's bad. It's fine. It's fine.
DC Wonder.
Doing anything. Your voice is annoying me.
I'm rocking and I'm chilling with the friends. I really wanna test it. Some things is this I'm talking about. Another time I'm like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, now when I'm on the microphone, they sing I'm off a point.
That I actually find attractive.
Big man singing, I have blood right now. I'm walking the right right now. Big man singing, big man singing, big man singing, I have.
Why we rapping anything that let me even though they don't know. To my people who be chilling in the
I have blood, it's not no blood clot. I'm like a Spartacus. Black man, either way, respect, I'm hitting with a Spartacus. drip. Either way, she open up her mouth like it's Batman. To me again. Either way, all I need is Hennessy, set you free again. You know I'll be a hit again.
Big up to my lady over there who we did. If I go and rap, the people get a reaction. I'm a nice guy and the other rappers nice, but they not like vibes. More time, but that's your fucking let's toast the rhyme. Yeah, let's bust the rhyme and we gon' rap all the time. Like shout out to my man. Jump man, the jump on a beat that get bumped up and always up to something. No, you know I can stuff, man.
He's your age.